Hey everyone, in today's quick Windows tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a desktop shortcut for Adobe Photoshop. If you open Photoshop frequently, having a shortcut right on your desktop can save you time and make launching the program much faster. I'll walk you through two easy methods you can use on any Windows computer. Let's start with the quickest method, which is creating the shortcut directly from the Start menu. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Photoshop until you see Adobe Photoshop appear in the results. Now right-click on Adobe Photoshop and choose Open File Location. A folder will open showing the Photoshop shortcut used by Windows. Next, right-click the Photoshop icon inside that folder. From the menu, select Send To and then click Desktop, Create Shortcut. Windows will instantly place a Photoshop shortcut on your desktop. Now let's look at the second method using the Program folder. Open File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, navigate to C:\program files /Adobe /Adobe Photoshop. Inside this folder, locate the file called photoshop.exe. Right-click photoshop.exe, choose Send To, then select Desktop, Create Shortcut. And that's it. You should now see an Adobe Photoshop shortcut directly on your desktop, making it much faster to open the app whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows and software guides.